Yes, we're having bad weather today.
Has been issued for this area. To your local TV or radio station for further information. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for this area.
It's coming from over there somewhere. This is due to the storm that is coming up from the Gulf of Mexico around Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and Florida. And now it's affecting us. The clouds look pretty bad too. I mean, it's been raining all day yesterday and this whole morning. It's bad. I don't think it has appeared on the emergency alert system as of yet. If it does in the next few minutes, I may make another video of that. Oh, here we go. There it is. Here we go. Yay! We got a severe thunderstorm warning for our area. Yeah, we've had a lot of bad weather to wrap this week up. Basically started Friday morning, and it's probably not going to stop until like late tomorrow evening most likely. And the siren is stopping. If the weather gets very bad, I will most likely do a coverage, but that is less likely. And the EAS is wrapping up.